Hey folks, over in our QC department, we test our steel and powder coating to ensure it can withstand years of outdoor use using this salt spray chamber. We kept a log on the cover of the chamber with details about the test samples, and we also labeled every part. But finding the right sample later often meant opening the chamber and hunting around for it. So we decided to give every sample its own address. We divided the chamber into an Excel-like grid with letters across the top and numbers down the side. We then added a matching visual board to the wall beside the machine. Now every test card shows exactly where the sample is located, along with the customer, material, start date, and finish date. As we used the system, we kept improving it. For example, every test card was taped onto the board originally, which required extra processing and struggle when we peeled them off. So we replaced the tape with reusable clear card holders that lets us slide the cards in and out in seconds. A few weeks after that, we noticed that the location letters inside the chamber were often hidden behind the samples, so we lifted them up and put them on the inside of the hood, where they're always visible. We also found it a little bit annoying that all the cards looked the same, and it wasn't intuitive when you looked at the board. So we introduced color coding. Now, tubes, fasteners, installation tools, and sewing materials can be identified instantly at a glance using visual management. This is a great reminder that the first improvement is rarely the last, and once you start looking closely, the next opportunity usually reveals itself. Thanks so much.